Hi, my name is Jordan, and I'm going to be going over a specific hazard in the construction and trades industry and explaining the hazard and how it's caused, and also many ways you can help handle it and control the situation. So, my specific topic will be on lifting a load in construction while using a crane. So, I'll be explaining the hazards and how to avoid them and be as safe as possible while working with crane while lifting a load. This is something that everyone should be aware of because anyone at a workplace could be in danger if safety precautions are not taken. So to start, a lot of danger is possible while lifting a load off the ground and using a crane to move it around. People walking by and in the area of major concern. People being hit by objects being lifted from the crane is a major hazard. Objects and tools that are in the way while lifting the crane and lifting the object is another major hazard. So cranes are used to lift many objects such as pipes, steel bars, large metal plates, and many other things to easily move things from one place to another instead of relying on human movement. So another thing that is a hazard is considering the weight of these materials and all the dangers that could come with the high weights of these objects. So many plates and metal objects that are being lifted could be very heavy and could damage a lot of material and, of course, more importantly, humans that are anywhere near the crane. And also using the crane and the lift of objects that are at the appropriate weight limit is another major hazard. So everyone in the area has to be aware of these surroundings. Using the right slings are another hazard. Being self-aware of the objects in the area is another hazard. And having the right safety equipment to ensure extra safety in case of any problems is another hazard. So ways that you can best help deal with these hazards for the best safety for everyone at the workplace and yourself, of course. So number one would be to ensure all workers that are in the area of that the crane lift is in motion and that it is turned on and everyone is very aware and not distracted or unaware that the crane is being used. Ensuring that the lift is not too high off the ground where it could be bumped into any walls or objects, and of course humans is another way to help aid the situation. Using the right slings and tag lines for the proper weight load is another way to help the hazard, which is very important to ensure that the crane is not lifting above its weight limit and that the slings are able to help protect the load that is being carried. And ensuring the workers and everyone in the area has proper gear and clothing, such as the safety hats, safety glasses, and safety boots, hard hats, is another way to help the situation. And making sure that the crane operator is focused and on the provided task and that he is well informed. Everyone in the area of what he's doing is another way to help the situation. So thank you everyone for listening, and I hope I educated you, informed you about the hazards and importance of safety while using a crane and lifting a load. Lifting loads, like I said, are very well used in construction, so this information is important to anyone who's in the field of trades and construction. Thank you.